Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Coinbase application on your mobile device. To download Coinbase application on your preferred device, the first thing to do is to open your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now once you do that, go to the search box and type in Coinbase. Make a search for the Coinbase app and you will be able to see the application in the search result. Open up this application and tap on the install or the get button to download the application on your device, which will take a couple of minutes to install. After it is done, you can simply open up the app and get started with Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest and the most popular cryptocurrency exchange. The key features of Coinbase are to buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies, wallet functionality, portfolio management, security features, and much more. Once the application is installed, tap on the open button and there you have downloaded the Coinbase application on your preferred device, whether it is an iPhone or an Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.